Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Webster. This is assignment number 2. Thought I would help you out if you were having some trouble figuring out how to find the measures of the arcs or the central angles. First of all, you'll notice that you need to pay attention to the symbol. So for number 1, it tells you that you're going to find the measure of angle GFI. Essentially, we're going to go G, F, and I. You're finding the angle of this central angle right there. And we know that the central angle is going to be the same angle measurement as its arc. That's only true when we're going into the center. So we're going to add 80 and 55 together because that's going from G to I this way. And that is going to be the measure of angle GFI. So 80 plus 55, we're going to add those together, and we're going to get 135. And that is the measure of angle GFI, right in the middle. When I go to number 2, measure of angle SPU. So S to P to U, we are finding this angle in the middle. Now we see that this one is 73, but we don't know this angle right here. I see that we have a straight line and we're given this angle here. So to find this angle right there, I'm going to do 180 minus 56 minus 73. Now there's more than one way to do this. Okay, you could figure that out. 180 minus 56 minus 73, and then you would get your answer. Another way to solve this, and I actually already solved these ahead of time, and I'm looking back at my notes and I figured out that I already did this one, but I did it differently. You could do that and then you would add it to 73. But if we know this whole thing is 180, and we need this part right here, all we need to do is do 180 minus 56, and we have this whole thing. So 180 minus 56 is 124 degrees. If you were to do it this way, we would do 180 minus 56. That would give us 124 degrees. And then we'd minus 73, we'd get this little angle there, we'd add 73 back, and you would get that angle. So as you can see, there's a couple different ways to get it, kind of like when you're solving a multi-step equation. Now I'd like to go down to some of the arc problems. Number 6 is our first arc problem. And when you see 3 letters named in an arc, that is called a major arc. So you're going to, I'm going to use a highlighter to kind of help you. You're going to go from T, you're going to start at T, you're going to go to R, and then you're going to go all the way to U. So we're finding this huge measurement all the way around this way. The only part that we're not counting is right here. Okay? Now you'll see that we're given this part, this part. Remember, an arc and an angle, they are equal. The central angle is equal to the arc. Okay, so we have 31 plus 70 plus 157 plus 69. When we add all of those up, you will get 327. Now that makes good sense, right? Because all the way around is 360. So 327 is fairly close to 360, and we're only not counting that little bit. Going down to number 8, we have another major arc because it lists 3 letters. So we're going from E to F to C. We're listing that arc, okay? So it looks like we're given some arc measurements already. This arc is 89 degrees because its central angle is 89. So we're going to add this, and we will get the measure of arc EFC. So we're going to do 89 plus 71 plus 60. And we're going to add those together. So we have 150, 160, 220. Okay. And that's how you would do those. I'm going to go to the next page. I would like to do a minor arc problem with you. Number 16 is the first minor arc problem you will find. Measure of minor arc QS. So when I go from Q to S, I want to go the shortest way possible. Otherwise, it'd be considered a major arc. So we're going to go from Q to S. Okay, I already see that part of it is 65, but I don't have this part right here. I see that we have a straight line within our circle. Part of it is 120 degrees. So this part right here will be 120, or 180 minus 120. So this part is 60 degrees. And then our arc is going to be 60 plus 65. 125. So measure of arc QS equals 125. There you have it.